Hi, Nobi.
Behind you is another one.
We are back online. Back on social media again. Do you miss it, Nobi? You want to go out and see things outside?
Behind you is Baccarat.
Oh, we have a cat here too. He also want to be on the video. Hi, Baccarat. Baccarat. Oh. Hi, Baccarat. Oh, yeah. Don't whack Nobi, okay?
He likes to whack the dogs. He's a fan of boxing.
Oh, he doesn't use any nail.
It's like they've been bonding, these guys.
Yeah. Nobi, he will not clean your willy. He will never do that.
Oh, that's hilarious.
Nobi like to do this for Mary too.
Are they playing? I think they're playing. That was playing now.
Yeah.
That's good. It's a chicken we're going to do in the barbecue. It's perfect for COVID because you don't cook it inside. You cook it on a barbecue and it's typical Thai style.
This chicken is very special because it's perfect for COVID.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lic. Happy birthday to you. I baked you a chicken cake.
It's not my birthday, so he's just kidding. So, let's put on the table for now. I'm just going to explain what we do. So, what happened was I marinate. You can marinate your chicken how you want. Then in the bottle here, you can use old champagne bottle or wine bottle, whatever bottle it is. And in here, you have to fill up with at least half bottle. In there, you can infuse more herbs inside if you want, but I did not put anything. And here, it's just normal water, but because I put the seasoning has some turmeric in it, so it changed color to yellow. When during we have COVID, I have no energy to do anything, and it's not very hygiene to just sit there and turn everything cooking. So we just leave it like this into the stove and cover it, the barbecue, for just 50 minutes or an hour. It depends on your chicken, how big they are. And when an hour comes, you just open the lid and it's finished. I'll show you after we finish this. Okay, now we're going to put it on. Be careful, no accident. I'm going to go down now with your hand. And that I can't see. There we go. It's so clever. You can use any barbecue that it have lid. Oi!
No, it's too hot. I need something on my here. It's too
Did you
hot.
burn yourself?
No.
Oh my gosh. Second attempt before he burned himself. Last time we used more flat container.
Yeah.
Then it's kind of stay put. Okay, now we need to lid it.
We need to lid it. We lid it.
And it's medium heat, by the way.
Now we're gonna open the chicken we cooked. 5, 3. Hold on, you're not staying here.
How hygiene is that?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's stuck. Hold on. Shh. Oh yeah.
What do you mean stuck?
Huh? Check it out.
Wow, look at these guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lic. Look at my wonderful chicken cake.
It's cooked or not? Yeah,
It's cooked and I gotta get in. It's hot. Ça,
Ouais,
pied de biche.
pied de biche, oui. Moi, j'appelle ça un pied de biche, il y en a qui appellent ça un arrache-clou.
Arrache-clou. Oh, arrache-clou.
Tu vois,
Oui.
ça.
Oui.
rentre plus. Tourne.
Mais on coupe ça.
Ah non. Nix coupé. Il faut que...
Non, ça touche, ouais. Oui.
Ajustage. Hein.
Oui.
Il faut que ça soit comme ça. Là. Ça
Oui, parce que quand il pleut, il rentre par là, et après, et c'est le même ici. C'est pour ça,
Mais là, il aurait dû...
pas comme ça.
Bah, l'autre côté, ici, ça doit être pareil. Hein. C'est éclaté pareil. Hein.
Oui, mais c'est... Oui.
C'est en 3 parties en plus. Tu vois.
Oui.
Et après, tu peux plus la... Si tu la remets, mais c'est plus pareil. Hein. Tu vois.
Oui.
C'est pareil. Quand il est tout le... Quand c'est toute la colle. Mais... Là, il y a du ciment, Puis j'ai même pas d'ongles, hein. Je parle de gratter.
Ça.
Non, ça ira pas, ça. J'ai huilé mon couteau, mon opinel.
Ouais.
Je vais pas les couper un morceau de saucisson avec. Hein. Il y en a partout.
Et la autre, c'est la petite là.
Il est sur le mur.
Et ça, c'est quoi avant?
Bah, c'était de la merde, là, du ciment. C'est un trou, c'est sûrement pour évacuer l'eau dedans.
Mais ça avait un trou encore ici, non?
Non, il n'y a pas de
Peut-être
trou.
c'est...
Ah non, il n'y a pas de trou là.
Non.
Tiens, regarde, toi. C'est pas un ver de terre hein, qui a percé le trou.
non.
Moi, celui-là, la coupe va être encore plus petit.
As you can see now, this is the finished work that Joe did. This was the work he was doing on that stone there. All the joints are fixed. And Bobeche is hungry. He loves to eat. Disturbing the camera again, just making himself extra cute. Bobeche. No, Bobeche, I'm filming. So all this has been done. As you can see here on the steps. We fixed the joint down there. That is fixed, all fixed here. And the same, this was also fixed now. It's just cleaning up and then it's all done. And we've got the color to match nearly, 100%. Bobeche, Bobeche, what are you doing, Bobeche? Is it the catwalk?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon.
What are you doing, darling?
Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. You and I can weather any storm.
Of all the algae that we have, it look a lot better already, you see that. But I think tomorrow one more day, or maybe tomorrow 2 more hours.
I think a couple hours is done.
Yeah. Look, maybe we can make cat food from this.
Yeah, who knows?
Look at that. Bobeche eat algae. Tell mommy that is delicious or not. Maybe we give to Baccarat and also to Bayel to try this, to see. Look. He ate the algae. Cat know what's good, so I guess this is good stuff.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Attention right now. Baccarat.
Oh, there's a stone here. Perfect. Okay, c'est bon.
Okay, now. Oh, look, you miss.
Cuenta. What's this?
Wow! That is good one.